Damn, I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm out here, nature, just walking, enjoying the sun. You guys notice anything different? I'm really out here looking like the Mexican Slim Shady, but that's okay because I'm not reliant on my looks. It's about the person I am inside. It's Sunday right now, Easter, and I got 3 days off of work because I injured my back because I've been working too much, and the doctor said that if you don't rest, your body forces you to. So I'm glad I get to enjoy this nature today, this sun, this wind. I only brought this sweater because I thought it was gonna be cold, but I guess not. I really haven't sat here and enjoyed the nature in a while. Mostly because it got cold, so I replaced my running in the forest with a gym membership, and that was just as effective for meeting my fitness goals, but it wasn't as effective for meeting my self-fulfillment needs. These glasses are cool, but don't think I'm just flexing on y'all. They actually got my prescriptions in them. And I'm kind of blind, so this helps me read from far away and close. I'm about to show you all this in a second. Did this myself. So the reason I haven't been posting videos as much is because I just been working on myself, you know, healing from things, and I've also just been working a lot, like a 9 to 5, but I also been tattooing people, so I guess that's good. Recording with my left hand now. I just got this water bottle. We're about to go into the forest. I forgot how beautiful this spot was. Might not be summer yet, but still, you could hear the birds chirping, the sun shining, most importantly. I feel calm as soon as I walked in here. Yeah, the reason I dyed this is because I don't like having short hair unless it's dyed. And if I didn't dye it, I would have been looking like Caesar from On My Block. So, you know, you have to be different. I don't know if that's dirt or pollution, but at least the water's flowing. And I like the sounds it makes as it flows. I just saw a dragonfly. I don't know if the camera caught it, but it's really nice out here, even though people throw trash and litter. It's still nice. I really want to run right now, but I be forgetting that I injured my back, and that's why the doctor gave me 3 days off of work. But it should heal pretty soon because she gave me some capsaicin lotion and some capsaicin patches, which is the active ingredient in spicy foods, because I told her I didn't want no pills. We don't support alcoholism or any vices in this channel. When the doctor gave me those capsaicin things, it really felt like a punishment for not taking the pills, because that thing was burning really badly. Like I applied it to my back and I kept waking up during the night because it kept burning like a horrible burning sensation, not no regular stinging. And you know what they say, if it hurts, it works. The oxygen out here is definitely different. This is Nature Adventure Part 3. I'm over here walking too fast, so it's hurting, but this sun should make up for it with the vitamin D. So, moral of the story, spend time in nature, enjoy the sun, do what you love, and yeah, remember, haters are indicators of success. And yeah, follow my tattoo page at Blood Alchemy, and see you in the next video, hopefully. I'm over here editing the video, and I just realized that because of the length of the video, I should have recorded this horizontally, but it doesn't matter because we don't conform to video standards, just like we don't conform to societal standards.